Good morning, my dear students. Now let us start with the next chapter. Now students, before starting with chapter number 10, we are starting chapter number 11. After chapter 11, we will start chapter 10. So, chapter number 11 is your perimeter and area. Perimeter area, आप class 5 से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. You know it very well that what is the difference between perimeter and area. Suppose this is a figure. Then perimeter is the boundary of this figure, right? Perimeter is said to be the boundary, area covered by the boundary of this figure, and area is the surface inside this figure. ये जो अंदर का इसका surface होगा, that is called as the area, or you can say that the space occupied by this is called as the area, and the boundary of this figure is called as the perimeter of the figure. So if we talk about the perimeter of square, then what is the perimeter of square? हम इसको कैसे define करते हैं? It's the sum of all sides for any figure. ठीक है? For a square, it's sum of all sides like a plus a plus a plus a. It's having 4 sides now. So a plus a plus a it will become 4a. 4 times a. So the perimeter of square is 4a. Perimeter of rectangle. This is a rectangular figure now. Rectangle we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So the perimeter of rectangle 2 multiply length plus breadth. ये फॉर्मूला कहाँ से डिराइव हुआ? That you know very well. आपको पता है कैसे डिराइव हुआ? We are having 2 lengths here plus 2 breadths. Sum of all sides होता है ना? तो जब हमने 2 lengths और 2 breadths को प्लस किया और 2 को कॉमन ले लिया, तो it will become 2 into L plus B. Right? Next is your triangle. Triangle की जब बात आती है, in that case also sum of all sides. जितनी भी sides given होती है उनका हम sum find कर लेते हैं. Next is your area. What is the area of a square? Square का area क्या होता है? Side multiply by side. Right? Suppose A is the side of the square. So what is the area of square? A multiply A. Right? In case of rectangle, what is the area? Length multiply breadth. Right? So let us start with your exercise 11.1. See question number 1, which is based on perimeter and area of rectangle and square only. So you have to do this chapter in your regular notebook. Question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. In first part में आपको क्या करना है? You are given with the length and breadth of a piece of rectangular piece of land. You have to find the area. So write down. सबसे पहले हम ऐसे questions में जो चीज़ हमें given होती है हम वो लिखते हैं. So what is given? Length of rectangular piece of land, that is 500 meter. Then breadth of rectangular piece of land 300 meter. What will be the area? Area of rectangular piece of land, length multiply breadth, that is 500 multiply 300. So it will become 5 3s are 15. 1,50,000. अब यूनिट क्या होगी? 500 मीटर 300 मीटर. 500 300 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ तो ये आ गया. मीटर जब मीटर से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा तो द यूनिट विल बी मीटर स्क्वायर. ऐसे मीटर के ऊपर 2 लगा दो या फिर और यू कैन राइट square meter. Right? So this is the first part answer. Second part is your find the cost of land if 1 meter square of land costs rupees 10,000. He said that find the cost of land अगर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर ऑफ लैंड की कॉस्ट 10,000 है, then what will be the cost of 1,50,000 meter square of land? So write down cost of 1 meter square land is 10,000 rupees. Then the cost of 1,50,000 meter square land will be equals to 10,000 multiply 1,50,000 meter square of land. We get rupees 1,50,000. Right? Next is question number 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. आपने स्क्वायर पार्क का एरिया फाइंड करना है. You are given with the perimeter. Now to find the area, what you require is you require side. एरिया आप तभी फाइंड कर पाओगे जब आपको स्क्वायर पार्क की साइड पता होगी. लेकिन अभी आपको क्या चीज पता है? You know the perimeter. Perimeter given है ना? Perimeter of square park equals to 320 meter. So perimeter पता है. पहले perimeter से हम क्या निकाल लेंगे? We will find out the side of the square park. So what is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 multiplied by a, where a is the side, that is 320 meter. तो यहाँ से a निकाल लो. A is equals to 320 divided by 4. 4 8 32. So a is your 80 meter. Now side आ गई. अब we can also find the area. Area of square park will be, क्या होता है एरिया का फॉर्मूला? साइड मल्टीप्लाई साइड. So we can write it a multiply a, that is 80 multiply 80. It is 6,400 meter. Right? Next question. Question number 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. You have to find the breadth of the rectangular park whose area is given to you, length is given, and जब लेंथ ब्रेड्थ आ जाएगी इसके बाद आपने जो है उसका perimeter भी फाइंड करके दिखाना है. ठीक है? So question number 4. What's given? You are given with, no, question number 3. You are given with area of rectangular plot of land. पूरा लिखोगे. That is 440 meter square. Right? Next, length is given. Length of rectangular plot of land, it's here 22 meter. 22 meter. What you have to find is breadth. लगा दो फॉर्मूला एरिया का. Area is equals to length multiplied by breadth. What is area? 440 meter. L multiply B, यानी कि 22 multiply by B. यहाँ से B निकल जाएगा. B equals to 44. 22 को इधर ले जाओ. So B is your 2 meter. Right? अब यहाँ से perimeter निकाल लो. Length breadth दोनों पता चल गए. फॉर्मूला लगा दो. 2 multiply L plus B. That is 2 multiply L is your 22 plus B is your 2. 2 multiply 24, that is 2 4 the 8, 2 the 4, 48 meter is your perimeter. Fine. Next question. The perimeter of rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth and also find its area. सेम ऐसा ही इक्वेशन है बट रिवर्स कर दिया. अब पेरीमीटर दे दिया और क्या दे दिया आपको, लेंथ दे दी, लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट, और आपने निकाला है ब्रेड्थ और एरिया. ठीक है, पहले इस क्वेश्चन में क्या था, एरिया दे दिया था और लेंथ दे दी थी, आपने ब्रेड्थ और पेरीमीटर निकाला. ठीक है, तो पहले पेरीमीटर का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे, वहां से ब्रेड्थ निकालोगे और फिर एरिया निकाल लोगे, हो जाएगा. फाइन. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर पार्क इज द सेम एज द एरिया ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर पार्क एंड रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क जो है वो सेम है. इफ द साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर पार्क इज 60 मीटर एंड length of rectangular park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangular park. What is said कि अगर स्क्वायर पार्क की जो साइड है वो 60 मीटर है, तो आप फाइंड करो, what you have to find is breadth of the rectangular park, whereas you are given with the length of the rectangular park. Very easy question. आपने सिर्फ समझना है, एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर पार्क इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर पार्क, ये चीज आपको गिवन है. ठीक है, अब आपको साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर पता है, साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 60 मीटर. 60 मीटर रहेगी ना साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर. So side of square 60 है, so what will be the area of square? Area of square will be 60 multiply 60, that is your 3600 meter square. अब उसने क्या बोला, area of square is equals to area of rectangle. ठीक है, तो मतलब rectangle का भी यही area होगा ना, तो area का फॉर्मूला लगाओ rectangle के केस में, area of rectangle equals to 3600, यही हो जाएगा. That is length multiply breadth. Length आपको given है, breadth निकाल लो. Fine. So complete question number 1 to 5 in your notebook. Next we will do in the next video. Thank you children.